Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Nutrition Tips in 2 minutes. And today I want to talk about OMAD. OMAD. What it stands for and why it's so popular in those days and why everybody is talking about it. And what is it actually? OMAD stands for 1 meal a day, which is not a new concept at all. It's basically an intermittent fasting when you eat only 1 meal a day. Intermittent fasting has many benefits, but I want to say that OMAD is just kind of a new name for it because, media needs something new, something that sounds cool and also refreshing, because intermittent fasting for some people seems like, oh, it was already there and it didn't help me. So maybe OMAD will be the answer for my problems. So basically OMAD is just another type of intermittent fasting when you eat whole calories for a day in a short period of the time. In this type of diet you eat like in 1 hour a day and then you fast for 23 hours. So what's the benefit of the OMAD, or basically intermittent fasting? Well, first of all, increase of human growth hormone, which is good for building muscle and losing fat. It also lowers inflammation, which is very bad for your health overall. It also increases autophagy, which is a natural automatic cleaning system for our bodies when old and unfunctional cells are basically eaten by themselves, and then the body creates a new one. Autophagy can be also one of the things that can help us with cancer and other diseases. And last but not least, intermittent fasting can help you to get into the ketosis. So are there any problems with OMAD or 1 meal a day? Well, you can have problems to get enough calories in yourself because you need to cover all calories for the day in just 1 meal, which can be hard for some people. Also, it can enhance you to have a bad relationship with food because you are basically not eating, you are not allowing yourself to eat. So it can promote some eating disorders. Also, the problem is usually that people didn't stay hydrated, and it's very important to drink enough water while you are fasting. So am I doing OMAD? Sometimes, yes. Is the approach for every day for the rest of your life? Definitely not. You need to shake things up. So I think OMAD, or 1 meal a day, is a good approach from time to time, but it's not advice I would give you for every day. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're out already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!